Augmented reality market analysis. Looking into the 2011 Q2 market share of AR and VR headsets. AR as in terms of augmented reality, VR in terms of virtual reality. Overall, look at the major vendors throughout the world, led by Samsung, Sony, Facebook, TCL, HTC, and the others, and look at the portions that they occupy. In addition, looking at the overall service types, we have the VR and the AR services listed down here. Focusing on the blue part, which is the AR, there is AR tethered HMD devices, as well as AR standalone HMD devices, HMD standing for head-mounted display. In addition, there are AR screenless viewer systems. Looking at the overall portion that the blue AR components have combined into 10.1%. But looking into the future, in 2022, you can see that the AR components grow significantly, where the three blue parts representing augmented reality services and systems, they combine into a combination of 38.1%. Now, I need to say that this does not mean that the VR market is being reduced by any means. It just means that the AR market is going to exponentially grow. Looking into the details, look at this. The overall bar goes up and up and up, where the orange part as well as the blue part are going up together. The blue part representing augmented reality and virtual reality on top. As you can see, both of these are going to grow significantly. Then, you can see the overall market size. And when you see this, it is very difficult not to be excited, not to want to do research on augmented reality. Because look at the forecast that is actually happening. Look at where we are and what's going to happen in the future. Look at the super jump from 2018 to 2020, leading on to 2021, where these units are in billions of US dollars. Based on this, how can you not do research on augmented reality? So hang in there and study the contents that I provide in this course. In addition, what type of services will be the major market for augmented reality and virtual reality devices? Looking in here, video games will totally explode. In addition, healthcare, engineering, live events, video entertainment grow significantly. In addition, in the business domains, you will see a lot in real estate, retail, and also military and education applications will grow significantly. Then looking at the overall market share, in a pie chart in 2025, you can see the overall group as well as all of these numbers are in the domain of billions, billions of dollars. So therefore, this is what we're expecting. When we look into augmented reality and virtual reality, for their overall forecast of 2025 in terms of their market size, there are some technical considerations we need to make. This is because AR and VR technology are truly state-of-the-art technical systems. Therefore, they have some reliance on how technology will evolve and new features will be provided. So let's take a look at the delayed uptake, which is the most low-end advance that we can look into, as well as the base case scenario, which is we are expecting at least this to be the average and beyond. And then we can look into what we're really looking into, what our hopes are into, the accelerated uptake. So let's compare these three. First, let's define the delayed uptake, which is user experience of AR and VR technology slowly improve. And various problems hinder the AR/VR market growth. And some of the challenging issues are the seamless mobility support, battery limitations, latency, display, safety, privacy. If these problems do exist, then the forecast of delay uptake will be it. The second one is the base case scenario, which we think that at least this will be possible, and this here will be like what we consider the norm or the average expectancy, where HMDs gain more popularity AR/VR technology gradually improves, and there are some limitations in mobility and battery life. However, technology is relatively well used and the systems behave and operate sufficiently well. And then the accelerated uptake is the one that we really want to see, where our hopes are in which by 2025, HMD devices evolve from a niche market to become a generic computing platform. In addition, user experience of AR and VR technology significantly improves, where breakthroughs in cellular and battery technologies enable extensible mobility and total freedom in operation time, providing very long lifelines. Now comparing the three of delayed uptake to base case and accelerated uptake, you can see the major differences of what will happen. As an expert in this area, developing augmented reality devices, software systems, as well as using this technology for various applications, I receive a lot of questions from leaders in industry, from my students, as well as from other people in the government. Considering all of it, what do you think will really happen? My personal perspective is the accelerated uptake, definitely. Because based on the trend in technology of how it's evolving, I personally feel that the accelerated uptake will be achieved and maybe even more. So I ask you to join me in this technology evolution to develop more services, systems, and devices and components so that we can lead the accelerated uptake and beyond to become a reality. These are the references that I used, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.